Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. Today I am going to start new chapter NCRT History, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Content: Introduction, the age of social change, which include liberals, radicals and conservatives, industrial society and social change. What is socialism? Socialism means common ownership. So, what is common ownership? Everybody having the right to participate in decision on how global resources will be used. In simple sentence, whatever resources we have in our society, it is equally and judiciously divided among all people. It is not concentrated in the hand of few. History of Socialism. Socialism has its origin in the French Revolution of 1789 and the changes brought about by the Industrial Revolution. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way in which society was structured. Socialism in Europe. The beginning. Sudden change in the society occurred after the French Revolution, which was dominated by the church and the aristocracy and divided into a state and orders. The European society was divided into liberals, radicals, and conservatives. So, Europe divided in different ideology that is based on their different thinking, and these three ideologies related to liberals, radicals and conservatives. Who are liberals? The liberals are those who wanted a nation that could tolerate all religion as people. They approached for elected parliamentary government subject to laws and not rulers. They felt only men of property have the rights to vote, as well as they promoter of individual right. They favored private property and they did not believe in universal adult franchise. They opposed the privileges of old autocracy based on birth. They firmly believe in the value of individual effort, labor, and enterprises. So, they are the promoter of individual rights. Who? Liberals. Now, who are radicals? They dislike concentration of property in the hands of few. The radicals, those who wanted a government based on the majority of population, they opposed the privileges of great landowners and wealthy factory owners. So, radicals were a group of people who believed in drastic change of society. They wanted a nation in which government was based on majority of the country's population, and as well as they were in favor of women's suffragette, means women also can cast their vote. They were opposed to privileges of great landowners and wealthy factory owners. They were not against the existence of private property but were against the concentration of property in few hands. Who are conservatives? Conservatives are those who felt that changes should be brought forth slowly, but at the same time, the past should also be respected. By the 19th century, they accepted that some change was inevitable but believed the past had to be respected and change has to be brought about through gradual process. Conservatives always oppose the radicals and liberals. The differences between that, uh, the conservative believe in respect of the past and gradual shift. Radical wanted to restructure society radically. So this is how conservatives altogether believe in preservation of past, means they like monarchical system. Now we are going to discuss what change occurred in the total Europe after industrial revolution. So industries and social changes. What economic changes were seen in the society after industrialization? It was a time when uh, new cities came up, new industrial region developed, railway expanded, and industrial revolution occurred. How did industrialization change the lives of people in Europe? Industrialization brought men, women, and children to factories. Working hours were often long and wages were very poor. Unemployment was common during times of low demand for industrial goods. So, this is the condition. Since towns were growing, housing and sanitation were problems. Almost all industries were the property of individuals. Liberals and radicals, though themselves property owner and employees, opposed privileges the old aristocracy had by birth, encouraged individual effort, labor, and enterprises. So these were the thoughts of liberal and radicals. They believed if freedom of individual was ensured, if the poor could labor and those with capital operate without resisting, society would develop. Some nationalists, radical and liberals wanted resolution to put an end to kind of government established in Europe in 1815. Some of them then became revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarchs. So result of all this, France, Germany, Italy, Russia, they became revolutionaries. They talk of revolution that would create nations where all citizens would have equal rights. Question related to the topic. Name the promoters of individual rights, that is liberal. Explain the views of liberal on nation building of Russia. Liberal wanted a nation which tolerate all religion. They oppose the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. They wanted a nation that would safeguard the right of individual against the government, as well as they did not believe in universal adult franchise. Men of property alone should have the right to vote, etc. Who were the radicals? Radicals were a group of people who believe in drastic change of society. There are two demands. They wanted a nation in which government was based on majority of the country's population. They were favoring women's suffrage. Then what does the term conservative means and its characteristics? The When we talk about the conservatives, they are the people or the group, those who believe in old pattern and they want the society shift, but uh, in a slow process. They favored monarchical form of government, which is the split in is autocratic, not democratic, or based on dynastic ruler. And they oppose the idea of radical changes. How did industrialization change the lives of people in Europe? I have given 6 point. Any 5 point you have to write. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.